Have you ever done something way too early and it caused a problem? This common English idiom describes that mistake. Welcome to USA Convo. Like our video and follow us to see more videos like this. Today's idiom is jump the gun. It means to start something before the right time. When you jump the gun, it means you act too soon. You don't wait. You do something before you're supposed to. This idiom comes from sports in track races. Runners wait for a gunshot to start the race. If someone starts running before the gun goes off, they jump the gun. That means they broke the rule. Now let's try using the idiom in a real sentence, just like you'd hear at work or in daily life. Let's practice using jump the gun in another situation. I told Mike to wait for the meeting, but he jumped the gun and emailed the client too early. Now you try to say it. Thanks for being part of this lesson. Go to the comments and tell us what you want to learn next or what you liked, so we can do more of it.